Hi, this is Teacher Juvadi and welcome to Minds Online Tutorial. Our topic today is convert repeating decimal number into a fraction. How do we convert repeating decimal number into a fraction? It is quite different from the usual conversion of fraction. Let's say for example here we have 0.6666, it's repeating, right? It shows that the value is not exact. So when you see exact value, that would be like 0.6. Okay, and what we usually learn in school in changing decimal number into a fraction is that first you can identify the place value of the last digit of the number. And here, since we only have one digit here, and that is 6, right? And the place value of 6, that is tens. So if you have to convert it into a fraction, that would become 6 over 10. Why it's 10? Because the place value of 6 there is in the tens place value. And if you're going to simplify that, that would be equal to 3 over 5. And that is the value of 0.6 in fraction, which is equal to 3 over 5. But it is quite different from this because this value is repeating, so we will not use this one. Okay, so you can see here 0.6666 is not exact. The value is approaching to 0.7. Since the value is approaching to 0.7 here, the value in the denominator should also be approaching to 10. And how will we do that? So we are going to think of a number that is closer to 10 but not more than 10. And the number that is closer to 10 is 9. As you can see here, we have 4-digit decimal number. So what we're gonna do here is we have to put a value in the denominator, right? As I said, we will not use a power of 10 here because the value, which is 0.666, is not exact. It is approaching to 7. So since we have 4-digit decimal number here, so we're gonna put 0.9999. It depends on how many digits do you have in your numerator. Okay, so we have 4 digits here in our numerator, so we gotta have 4 digits also in our denominator, but we're gonna use 9. We can also change this into a whole number by canceling zeros there. So that would be 6, 6, 6, 6, and then over 9, 9, 9, 9. Alright, actually you can also do that, but there's an easy way. First is you have to identify the repeating digit. As you can see here, the only repeating digit for the example is digit 6. So we're going to use 6. And that's only one digit, right? And then we're going to override by 9. Instead of this, we can also use this one. Okay? So that's 6 over 9. Or we can simplify that into 2 over 3 by dividing both by 3. Right? 6 divided by 3, that is 2, and 9 divided by 3, that is 3. So that is 2/3. So 0.666 repeating, that is equivalent to 2/3 in a fraction. You can also check that using your calculator if you want. Alright, so let's have number 2, that is 0.3636 and repeating. Alright, so we will not use this one. We will proceed to this last part here. Okay, let's identify the repeating digit or digits. Okay, as you can see here, the repeating digits are 3 and 6. So we're gonna have 36 over, since we have 2 digits in our numerator, so we're gonna have 2 9s here. Right, so that is equivalent to 36 over 99, but we can still simplify it, right? We can divide 36 and 99 by 3, right? So if you're gonna divide 36 divided by 3, that is 12 over 99 divided by 3, that is 33, right? So the equivalent fraction of 0.3636 repeating, that is equivalent to 12 over 33. Or you can also check your calculator if that's correct. Okay, and lastly we have here 0.5555 repeating. As I said, you are going to get the repeating digit, which is 5 over 9, and 5 over 9 is in the simplest form already, so no need for us to simplify. So 0.555 repeating, that is equivalent to 5 over 9. Alright, so that's all for today about conversion of repeating decimal number into a fraction. I hope that you learned something today. Alright, so let's review. We have here 0.666 repeating, that is equal to 2/3. We have here 0.3636 repeating, that is equivalent to 12 over 33 in a fraction. We have here 0.555 repeating, that is equivalent to 5 over 9. I hope that you learned something and how to convert repeating decimal number into a fraction. Again, this is Teacher Giovanni, and saying that math is minds. Math is not a difficult subject if you're willing to learn. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!